We are out here with the Ford Crown Victoria. Okay, so today we're going to be upgrading the headlights on the Ford Crown Victoria. And I'll go ahead and show you guys what kind we're putting in. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the light bulbs for the Ford Crown Victoria. As you see, we are sitting in the Mercury Grand Marquis, driving it today. But I decided I'd go ahead and at least get started with opening up the bulbs, taking a look. So right now we have Auto 1. This is my first time trying these with Auto 1. You have a high brightness, longer lifespan. They should be plug and play and should shine bright on off-road, but we're not taking the Crown Victoria off-road. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open up the box. So you see, come in a nice box. So they are packaged pretty nice. You don't have to worry about them getting damaged during shipment. All right, so for the reveal, these look pretty nice. I'm not going to take them out the packaging right now until we get ready to swap them out, because you don't want to touch all on them and mess up the bulb or whatnot. So we'll wait till we get back to the Crown Victoria, but this is how they look. It should have a cooling fan, I believe, inside. You see the LED strips. I believe these are going to work pretty good. All right, so I got the headlight out of the Ford Crown Victoria. Now this is a standard light bulb, headlight bulb for the Ford Crown Victoria. Now let's go ahead and take out the new one that we have over here and see what it looks like. All right, so let's compare it to the ones we have right here. All right, so you see right here, two totally different looking light bulbs. Right, this is an actual bulb and these are LED strips, as you see right up in there. So two totally different. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install this one. I left the original on the other side of the car, on the passenger side. So we're going to turn it on and see if we can notice a difference, which we should. Now right off the back, this one is a little bit heavier than this one, but we can see why. I think this one has a fan inside, help keep it cool because it does burn hotter. When taking these out, just a tip, make sure you guys don't touch this part, because you're getting any like oil or whatever off your fingers. And you plug this back in, it's gonna get hot and it's gonna mess up the bulb. All right, so let's go ahead and put that back in. So this is what the inside looks like for the plug-in. So it should work pretty good. All right, now this is a little easier to do if you have the all right, so I did have to remove the headlight just so I can get a better fitting on here. So I got this piece on here. Got it about snug as I can get it for the moment. Now, these are aftermarket headlamps, so we have just a tad bit of play. And I'm a little concerned, with the vibrations with that bulb going back and forth, but we'll see. I'm gonna figure out a way to get it to stay more steady. But for now, I'm not gonna blame the light bulb, because like I said, these are aftermarket headlights, so yeah. But anyway, we can go ahead and plug it up and then reinstall the entire piece. So let's make sure that plugs up. It does plug up pretty good. Yeah, it needs to be snug, but I can't get it that snug. And I'm showing you guys the real deal, man. All right, now right there, it's a little bit more snug there. I can live with that. Okay. All right, so just a second. Okay. All right. And then we got to come around here, put my clamps back in. Yeah. Now, if you're wondering how I took this out, I'll leave a link in the description for my other video where I showed you guys how to install these headlights. Now, you will need a way to adjust the headlight to make sure it's not shining too high or too low, but that's just for the headlight assembly part itself. If you don't want to use that tool or don't have it, you have to pull it back out and just twist those pieces until you can get it to your liking. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and turn the lights on. Go ahead. So, wow, it's a big difference. Huge difference. Now, you might not tell on camera. Well, you can't tell. That one on the left is bright. This is our old bulb right here. It's our new one right there. Now, you do notice the difference in the color. We got one yellow and one is more of that white. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. I just went ahead and took my clips out. We're gonna just pull the whole assembly out. It's very simple to take the whole assembly out, so you don't have to sit there and wrestle with such a small area. If you're in the market for some new headlight bulbs, check out the link in the description below. There will be a 15% off if you use the code Street Cruising 101 at checkout. Remember, do not touch the bulb if you want to reuse it again. See it right here. And remember, this is our new bulb, LED. Now, how you know you got it on the right side? This is going to be pointing up, and just run the clip over it. When I'm driving, I like to have an extra set of eyes, so that's why I use the Mangoal dash cam. It is a factory fit. It records in 4K. You also can use an app that will allow you to access the camera, to download the footage on there, and you also have a memory card that goes into the camera. It has a front and rear camera setup, and it is very easy to install. So if you're looking for a dash cam, or if you have been in the market for one, check out the Mangoal dash cam. Trying to get this over. Come on, you can do it. She doesn't want to go. All right, so we got this side put in. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my clamps back in to hold the headlight assembly. Remember, if you want to see how to take these in and out, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below so you guys can see that. But other than that, you see the gold, those are the new ones. Not this one, this is still the original right here. Now my clamp is broken on this one, so I'm not gonna worry about that. And then we got this side right here. Just gotta make sure I figure out how to make that a little more stable on this side. Alright, so those are the LED lights installed. I like it. Makes the car look more modern. Better lighting when going down the road. So I'm going to drive the car and I recorded how it looks at night. Of course, we're going to use the dash cam. Check out Mangoal dash cams to get that factory look installed. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one.